Video 2. More about EcoSoft. In the Malton-Nigel Water District, we have hard water, leading to limescale problems in our homes. Maybe you are thinking of buying a non-polluting water softener. EcoSoft is an environmentally friendly European market leader. It is cheaper than a salt-based water softener, as well as being more efficient and does not harm the environment. Limescale is caused by the naturally occurring healthy minerals magnesium and calcium in your water. But these minerals have undesirable effects in our hot water heaters, shower heads, faucets, our appliances, and on our skin and hair. Contrary to a polluting salt-based water softener, all of these problems are addressed by the CO2-based EcoFlow. Using technology that has been used in Europe since the early 80s, the CO2 injection process is a more efficient water softening process. How does the CO2 process work? The CO2 process simply dissolves the calcium by injecting minute quantities of CO2 into your water. In an immediate minor chemical reaction, the CO2 instantly lowers the pH of your water and maintains the calcium in suspension, which means that there is no limescale buildup in your plumbing. All old limescale deposits in your plumbing begin dissolving, improving water flow and lowering your electric hot water heating bill and all the additional benefits. What is this magical chemical reaction? H2O plus CO2 equals H2CO3, slightly lowering your water pH. Will I have carbonated water? No, the amount of CO2 used is 100 times less than in carbonated drinks like Coke or Budweiser beer. It will not alter the taste nor the quality of your water. The essential minerals will remain in your water. Your water will taste good. CO2 is captured during a variety of industrial processes before being filtered and cleaned to an FDA-rated 99.90% purity. This is CO2 that is not released into the atmosphere and does not contribute to CO2 emissions nor climate change. The food-grade CO2 used is identical to that found in carbonated drinks, from expensive craft beers to mass-produced canned beers, from cheap sodas to expensive imported waters, from soda fountains in restaurants to gassy beer in pubs. What about the CO2 cylinder? Is it dangerous? No, CO2 is not explosive and is non-inflammable. You'll find these same cylinders in restaurants, pubs and cafes in everyday life. What happens to the calcium in the water? EcoFlow will dissolve all of your limescale. The residue left after water dries or boils will simply wipe off. Please note that if your dishwasher has a built-in ion exchange system, you will need to continue using salt to regenerate the resin. How much will it cost me? Installation by our licensed plumber, $300. Monthly fee, $39.99, including quarterly checkups and cylinder replacement. CO2 refills, $30, one a quarter depending on your water consumption. EcoSoft. Efficient, practical, environmentally friendly, does not pollute, cheaper than salt, maintenance free. Order an EcoSoft installation today.